Imagine you are in the fastest spaceship ever built. You leave Earth behind. You fly past the stars, past distant galaxies, and you keep going for billions of years. Eventually, you have to reach it, right? The end, the wall, the edge of everything. But what would you actually see there? Is there a giant brick wall? A swirling void of nothingness? Or do you just pop out the other side like a character in a video game? Today, we are going on the ultimate journey. We are traveling 46 billion light years away to find out what happens at the very edge of the universe. Put on your seatbelt because space is about to get much weirder than you ever imagined. Before we reach the edge, we need to understand one very important rule. There isn't just one universe. There are actually two. First, there is the observable universe. Think of this as your personal bubble. Because light takes time to travel, we can only see things whose light has had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang started 13.8 billion years ago. Everything inside this bubble is what we can see with our telescopes. It's about 93 billion light years wide. But then, there is the unobservable universe. This is the part of space that is so far away that its light hasn't reached us yet. In fact, because the universe is expanding so fast, that light might never reach us. So, when we talk about the edge, are we talking about the edge of what we can see? Or the edge of everything that exists? Let's look at the first one first, the cosmic horizon. As our ship approaches the limit of the observable universe, we hit something called the cosmic horizon. It's not a physical wall. It's more like the horizon you see at the beach. When you look at the ocean, it looks like the water ends at a sharp line. But as you sail toward that line, the horizon just moves further away. In space, the edge we see is actually a wall of fire. Well, sort of. It's called the cosmic microwave background. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It is the oldest light in the universe. If you reach this edge, you wouldn't find a fence. Instead, you would look around and realize you are still in the middle of space. To someone living on a planet at that edge would be the ones living at the edge of their bubble. Every point in space is the center of its own observable universe. But that still doesn't answer the big question. What is beyond the bubble? Here is where things get crazy. The universe is expanding, but it's not expanding like a car driving down a road. It's expanding like the surface of a balloon being blown up. Space itself is stretching, and it's stretching so fast that distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Wait, didn't Einstein say nothing can go faster than light? Yes, he did. But he said nothing can move through space faster than light. Space itself can stretch at whatever speed it wants. This means that the edge is moving away from us faster than we can ever catch up to it. Even if we flew at the speed of light, we would never reach the true end. We are trapped in our own little pocket of reality. So, if we could somehow cheat and teleport to the absolute end of everything, what would we find? Scientists have three main ideas. Theory number one, the loop. Imagine the universe is like the Earth. If you walk in a straight line on Earth, you never hit a wall. You eventually just end up back where you started. Some scientists believe space is curved. If you fly long enough in one direction, you might eventually see the back of your own head. In this version, there is no edge, only a loop. Theory number two, the infinite flat map. Most of our current data suggests the universe is flat. This means it might just go on forever, in every direction, forever. More stars, more galaxies, and more empty space, with no beginning and no end. If this is true, the universe doesn't have an edge because infinity doesn't have a stopping point. Theory number three, The bubble multiverse. This is the scariest one. Some suggest our entire universe is just one bubble in a giant sea of other universes. If you reach the edge of our bubble, you might fall into a different universe with different laws of physics. Gravity might push instead of pull. Time might run backward. The truth is, we may never know for sure. The universe is like a giant mystery box that is growing faster than we can open it. But that is what makes it beautiful. Every star we see and every galaxy we map is a tiny piece of a puzzle that is billions of years old. We might be small, but our curiosity is large enough to span the entire cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of the cosmos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Chapter in 10. We explore the biggest mysteries of life, space, and everything in between in just 10 minutes. What do you think is at the edge? A wall? A loop? Or something we can't even imagine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more mind-blowing space facts, be sure to check out the playlist, Universe Files. Until next time, keep looking at the stars.